Hey everyone, it's Charlotte from the Kia Hyundai channel, and today we are talking about auto hold. You've heard us talking about it in our videos, you've seen the button, and today we're going to talk about it. Let's get into it. Essentially, auto hold is a braking feature that's going to utilize your electronic parking brake to hold your vehicle at a complete stop until you hit the gas pedal. Now you may think, why would I ever use this? Have you ever been in stop and go traffic with an emphasis on the stop? This feature makes everything so much easier, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's get into the car. All right, so now we're inside my car. Just gonna go over to the center console. This is largely where you'll find the auto hold feature in your Kia or Hyundai vehicle. It's located right over there. I'm gonna give it a push, and now you can see on our instrument cluster, it's showcased in white. So auto hold is boldly written. Now white means it's in standby mode, and you're gonna want this to be engaged, really. That's when the function is going to work. So to do that, we're gonna put the car into drive, and once your brake pedal is fully depressed by your foot, it's held. And you know what? I wish they made that for humans. It's nice to be held. So I'm gonna hit the gas, allow my car to roll a little bit, and then slam on the brakes again. You'll see auto hold is now turned green, and I can completely take my feet off of the brake and my car is stopped. It's only gonna release when I hit the gas again, and then my vehicle will allow me to drive. Again, this feature is phenomenal in traffic conditions because, of course, you don't have to have your foot held on the brake all the time, but it's also nice for drive-thrus or any type of time you're waiting for somebody because you don't have to turn your car off, you don't have to put it in a park, and it's quite nice. Can't tell you how many times I've revved up my vehicle in a drive-thru because I forgot I put it into park and I needed to get moving again. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more tips and tricks like today's video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video.